UGWUMBA. Ihe nwere ike ịgwa gị na ebu ụzọ ndị wetara anyị akwụkwọ bekee bụ ụzọ weta ya n'ala ndị Yoruba. Okay? By the 1980s, I mean, in the 1890s, the Yoruba were their first lawyer, Anna Bosapara Williams. And when came the first graduate in NDIGBO, Ikoku, Alvan Ikoku, around 1928. Okay? Before Zik, a lot of ways, Gavandi also, Mbadiwe, and Bono Jikeha, and one for Rizo, and so on and so forth. We zip weha. Then by 1932 or so, I knew where our first Igbo doctor, Dr. S.E. Onyuji. By 1936, I knew where Dr. Canadian from Africa here, the second doctor. After 1940, NDIGBO, Gafendi Yoruba, and now go everywhere. Didn't have time to explain it. Every legal and a labor, and I go in the missionary, they were competition among themselves. The Methodist, the Anglican, the Catholic, Ebola Haha, Aganro School, they were made converts. You got to go? So by the time you know it, NDIGBO, and the baby and Akuko, Imotako, Ono Adrege, Ono Ade. So, all I do in the Beke Jigas, NDIGBO, just a Hana, take you over. Yeah, man, Ndiozo, or they have NDIGBO, Rechala, Hedum, then, even like Cameroon, the Cameroon sign lava. The first quick notice, how old they in Kenya, the other. The Cameroon and you want quick notice. In the 1960s, my plantation of my hand there on NDIGBO. That's part of the reason Cameroon get it. Indiana West, Zik win the election and do it here. Another quick notice, indirectly, Zik Juel whatever, no election. Now, they can cool. Mahadum Nabo and one in Nigeria, Nigeria and one in Ibadan and Lagos. NDIGBO, Vice Chancellors. Kenneth Onkadike, Kenneth Onkadike, and Enin Joko. Onye Bem, now how there. Kenneth, my Ibadan. Njoko, na Lagos. They didn't like it.